In this video, we are going to try and solve this logarithmic equation with different bases. We have log base 5 of x plus log base 7 of x equaling to log base 25 of x, and we shall have to find the value of x. Now when it comes to logarithms, there is what we call the change of base formula. Let's say you have log base b of a. In this case, you can introduce any base of your choice. So this will be equal to log base m of a divided by log base m of b. As long as the bases are the same, then everything is okay. Now let's say you choose to use base 10. This will give us log base 10 of a divided by log base 10 of b. And since 10 is the default base of logarithms, we can choose not to show it. So this will be equal to log of a divided by log of b. And this only works for base 10. If it's any other base, then you have to show it. So in our case, if we introduce base 10, we shall have log of x divided by log of 5 plus log of x divided by log of 7 equaling to, we shall do the same thing on the right hand side. So we shall have log of x divided by log of 25. And now we can take this to the left hand side. This will give us log of x divided by log of 5 plus log of x divided by log of 7 minus log of x divided by log of 25 equaling to 0. And as you can see, log of x is common here, here, and here. So we can pull it out. So we shall have log of x into, for the first part we shall remain with 1 divided by log of 5 plus, and then for this we shall have 1 divided by log of 7, and then plus 1 divided by log of 25 equaling to 0. Now at this point, what should we do next? If you look at this, it is a non-zero part and it is made up of constants. However, if you look at this part, it contains our x variable. So it should be the one that we set to be equal to 0. Therefore, this part right here is not equal to 0. Therefore, we shall set log of x to be equal to 0. And if you recall, this can also be written as log base 10 of x equaling to 0. Now from the laws of logarithms, whenever you have, let's say, log base b of a equaling to m, this will be equal to b raised to the power of m equaling to a. Therefore, all you need to do is get the base, raise it to the number on the right hand side, and then equate the result to the number on the upper side. So we shall have 10 raised to the power of 0 equaling to x. And we know that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, we shall have x equaling to 1, and that's our answer. And actually, if you want, you can prove this answer. We simplified our equation and we got this as the result. Therefore, if we substitute in x equals to 1, we shall have log of 1 times 1 divided by log of 5 plus 1 divided by log of 7, and then plus 1 divided by log of 25, and this will be equal to 0. Now if you put log of 1 in your calculator, you'll find out that it is equal to 0. Therefore this right here is equal to 0, and we know that anything times 0 is 0. Therefore the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our answer is correct. So that's how you can solve such a logarithmic equation. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.